The SSERVI Angeletta Coradini Mid-Career Award is given annually to a mid-career scientist for broad, lasting accomplishments related to SSERVI fields of interest. Angeletta Coradini was an Italian planetary scientist who inspired astronomers and planetary scientists around the world. The 2025 Angeletta Coradini Mid-Career Award is given to Dr. Makiko Ohtaki. Dr. Ohtaki is a lunar scientist and academic researcher at JAXA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. She also serves as assistant professor in the Department of Solar System Sciences at ISAS. Her visionary leadership and technical expertise have significantly advanced our understanding of the moon's composition and geologic evolution. Makiko Ohtaki received her PhD from Tohoku University in Sendai, Japan. She is particularly well known within our community for having served as principal investigator of the multi-band imager aboard Japan's Kaguya lunar orbiter mission. The multi-band imager captured images in 9 spectral bands, including visible and near-infrared wavelengths. The Kaguya MI has significantly advanced our understanding of the moon's geological structures by providing high-resolution multi-band imaging that enabled the mapping of mineral distributions, the investigation of key features, including crater central peaks, and the reconstruction of the moon's thermal and compositional evolution. Dr. Ohtaki also played a critical role as payload manager for Japan's Smart Lander for Investigating the Moon, or SLIM. In this capacity, she oversaw the development, deployment, and operation of the multi-band camera. These missions are not only scientific milestones, but also a foundation for future lunar exploration. Dr. Ohtaki's experience spans multiple planetary bodies, and her work continues to inform Japan's contributions to global lunar exploration efforts. Her achievements exemplify the impact and legacy of Angeletta Coradini. Please join me in honoring Dr. Makiko Ohtaki.
Yeah, thank you for all. Yeah, at first, I would like to thank all of who suggest me for this honored award and for selecting me. And I'm really honored to be awarded this one. And I'm sorry I can't go. I can't be there, but I will try to give a short speech. Yeah. Actually, let me start with when I started study as a PhD student. And when I was PhD student, I was not studying about moon or planets. I was studying Earth rocks. And especially I went to Greenland and collected one of the oldest Earth rocks. It is Archean sedimentary rock. And at that time, I saw that the age of the rock is 3.8 giga-years old. And at that time, I thought that it was old enough. But after finishing my PhD, I realized that it was not old enough to study earliest history of the Earth and the Moon. So then I decided to go to Japanese big exploration mission to the moon. So I started to join exploration missions. But at that time, because I was quite new to the planetary science, therefore I remember that when I first went to the LPSG, I know no one. I don't have any friends or no researchers. But since that time, because I was new, Professor Carrie Peters from Brown University and Paul Lucy from Hawaii helped me and guide me, actually. I'm really thankful for them for guide me and teach me. Yeah, and also I'm also would like to thank for Professor Takeda. Yeah, in former Tokyo University, because he is really great person. And of course, I was not his student. He was not my supervisor, but he helped me to understand the issue related to the moon. So I was really thankful for him. And also for spectroscopic study, I would like to thank for Dr. Hiroi in University of Brown University. He also helped me greatly. And during the Kaguya mission, I think I am really lucky because in spite of I'm not a planetary scientist, but I was hired for former JAXA, and Dr. Junichi Haruyama happened to select me to join this Kaguya mission. And after that, yeah, again, I think I'm really lucky because at that time when I joined this mission, Japan only limited number of Japanese planetary science, and especially spectroscopic scientists existed. So I was really lucky to start with lunar orbiter, Kaguya. And then after that, we hope that we can land. We want to land on the lunar surface. And luckily, again, we have done that. Actually, last January, the SLIM mission, Smart Lander, land on the lunar surface. And we try to observe olivine rock. And about that mission, we are still struggling to report that result, but I'm hoping, and we are trying really hard to do that. And I would like to ask you to be ready to hear about that. Yeah, please stay tuned. But anyway, I'm really again honored to be awarded this one, and but I feel that I know that this is for someone, one person, but I feel that this is not only me, but somehow for whole Japanese community, because without them, without contribution from Japanese community, all of the scientists and engineers together, I will never be able to study moon by using remote sensing data set and spectroscopic data set. So therefore, I would like to thank all of the Japanese community who helped me, really greatly for my work. Yeah. And what do I forget? Yeah, and I almost end my talk. But anyway, in addition to that, for about future, I had lucky to be orbiter mission, involved in the orbiter mission and the landing mission. And after that, in Japan, we are planning to go to the lunar polar region and searching for lunar water. It is called as LUPEX, Lunar Exploration Mission, LUPEX. And this mission is also new for us. It has a relatively large rover, and this mission is jointly studied by Japan and India, ISRO. So we are really looking forward to get that result. We started developing engineering model, and part of them are studied flight model. So we are expecting that mission. And more future, yeah, personally, I'm hoping that my current dream, is to help astronauts on the lunar surface, because obviously astronauts will go near in the future, will go again to the lunar surface, and will they need to collect important samples. And my dream is to help them somehow. Maybe, yeah, as a lunar geologist, I'd like to do that. And I know that I dream a lot because I want to be a part of the missions and few upcoming missions. And also I want to bring back some sample return missions. I would like to do that. And I want to help astronauts on the lunar, on the moon. Yeah, I dream a lot. But yeah, I hope or I believe that if not only me, if we try together, all of you, I mean, not only Japanese community, but all from the international community, if we tried really hard, I believe that we can realize that, the astronauts on the moon and collect samples for our study. So, yeah, therefore, I will try I want to continue my study and continue to try to realize future lunar missions. Oh, okay, that's my current dream. So again, thank you for all of you. I'm really honored, and thank you for all of this. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ohtaki.
Thank you.
We share in your goals and aspirations for the future, and we thank you for your contributions. Congratulations.